want to show you African way of doing starch resists. That's my sketch pad. I have so many sketches. Now I'm going to show you the one that was approved by my lecturer for the starch resist. So here I have so many patterns here, and this, she approved this for my starch resist. This is 10 by 10 cm by 10 cm squared, and I enlarged it into 30 by 30. This is 30 by 30. You can see it is big now. I'm then going to cut stencil using my tracing paper. I'll trace it, place it on my straw board, and make a beautiful stencil for it. Video me, the last video me, make I do the whatever. Okay, this is the second day of exposure for it to dry. You can see it's shrinking the fabric. You can see the shape now. It's looking shrinked, but it has not dried completely. You can see, though not sticky, but still need to dry. I'll give you like 3 to 4 days for it to dry properly. I know. Yeah, maybe it's not on video. Why? It will be your problem. Wow, this is not Makapwa.